Okay, so all I've done is the 3 rounds. I haven't done the 4th one just because I'm trying to do this quickly. Now, when you get ready to do the other side of the headband, the other side of your foundation, the first thing you may notice is that I did not sew my foundation single crochet, the bottom edge of it together. You can do that now. I usually just bring that tail back in and do basically a slip stitch to hold it together, and then when I get done I'll just sew my tail back into my work. But to help with those that were having problems with the bottom, in the pattern I have written that you are just going to repeat the pattern, and the stitches won't work out that way if you connect at your join. You can see my seam here. What you would have to do is work it backwards. So for each row that started with 9 single crochet and ended with 12, you would start with 12 and end with 9, if that makes sense. If that doesn't make sense, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So one other thing, this is how I do it. You can do it however you want, but when I start this round, if you look at your foundation single crochet, you'll see these stitches. You'll see the where you would normally work here, and then you see the edge right here. What I do is I work under here, under the stitches, so between the posts. And what that does is that will eliminate some of that ridge that you might get. So I attach my yarn, and then I single crochet the same stitch, and then I'm going to single crochet in each of the next, let's count real quick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, so my count's different. I don't know, y'all, I just do it. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to single crochet until you have 2 stitches left before you get to the space where your shell is. Okay, so if I'm looking right here, I have 1, 2. There's 2 spaces right here. Then I'm going to skip, and then I'm going to do my shell. And also, look, I'm doing my shell in the same space. So where a lot of people think this is Catherine's wheel stitch, it is not. It's much easier. If you'll use that space, you get the same effect of a Catherine's wheel stitch. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shell stitches. So now what I'm going, or double crochet. So what I'm going to do now, if I count 1, 2, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a single crochet hiding here. Okay, that went between my previous round 1 shells. So then I'm just going to basically shell in each shell space and single crochet in each single crochet. Okay, so there's a lot more crochet by sight than counting here, which may have been throwing a lot of people off. Also, some people said that the way I wrote the pattern was really easy, and then others said that they were completely stooped. So if you're in either camp, you have plenty of company. Don't feel bad. And I'll try not to feel bad for the people that couldn't figure it out. So basically then, all we're doing is we are just going to do the exact same pattern of single crocheting in each single crochet. And when you get to the first shell, you're going to single crochet up to the 3rd double and then do your shell. And you can go as wide or as narrow. Like if I wanted to leave it like this, I could. If I wanted to have 4 on each side, you could have 5 on each side. Also remember that your hook size will determine how big your final product is. Okay? Hope that helps. Thanks.